Today we're tackling a simple plumbing repair that can save you serious money. Fixing a dripping faucet. That little drip might not seem like much, but it can waste gallons of water every week, and that's cash right down the drain. Let's get it fixed step by step. Tools and materials you'll need it. Replacement faucet cartridge, Delta/Peerless compatible or universal. Flathead screwdriver, Phillips screwdriver, channel lock pliers, adjustable wrench, crescent wrench, needle nose pliers, small rag or towel, plumber silicone grease. Step 1. Find problem. My faucet is a Peerless, but this method also works on Delta and other faucets that use the same style of cartridge. Here's how to tell which side is leaking. Turn off the hot water shutoff valve and check. If it still drips, the cold side is a problem. In my case, shutting off the hot side stopped the drip, so the hot cartridge needed replacement. Step 2. Shut off the water. If you have shutoff valves under the sink, turn them clockwise to close both hot and cold. If not, shut off the water at the main supply. Step 3. Remove the handle. Close the sink stopper or place a rag in the drain so small parts don't fall in. Pop off the decorative cap on top of the handle. Remove the Phillips screw underneath. Pull the handle straight off. Sometimes you'll need to tilt it slightly forward before lifting. Step 4. Remove the cartridge. Loosen the retaining nut with pliers or a wrench. Pull the cartridge straight out. If it's stuck, wiggle it gently with pliers. Take note of the orientation. The half-moon tab should face the spout. Snap a quick photo if needed. Step 5. Check seats and springs. Inside the valve body, you'll see a small spring and rubber seat. Use needle nose pliers to remove them. The spring has a wide end that goes down, narrow end up. The rubber seat fits right over the spring. These tiny parts are often the real cause of the drip, and you can replace them with an inexpensive Delta/Peerless repair kit instead of replacing the whole cartridge. Step 6. Install new parts. I'm using a universal repair kit that includes cartridges, seats, springs, and O-rings. Lightly coat the O-rings and rubber parts with plumber silicone grease. Drop the spring into the port, wide end down. Slide the rubber seat over it. Gently press it snug. Insert the new cartridge, making sure the tab faces the spout. Tighten the retaining nut, but don't over-tighten. Reattach the handle and secure it with a screw. Step 7. Test the faucet. Turn the water back on slowly. Check for leaks around the handle and spout. Test opening and closing. The drip should be gone. Reinstall the aerator if you removed it earlier. That's it. Your faucet is fixed, and you just saved the cost of a plumber. If you found this video helpful, hit like, share it with a friend, and subscribe for more DIY plumbing and home repair tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next project.